Hey kids, welcome back to Cooking with Dad. This week for meal prep, we're going to be doing a turkey holiday Thanksgiving lunch for all week. Problem is we couldn't find any turkeys right now. I wonder where they all went.
Oh darling, look. Thanksgiving turkeys.
And lack of cranberry sauce for some reason. But we're going to substitute. We got some chicken, roast beef, smashed potatoes, stuffing, and cheese sauce with broccoli. So stay tuned and see how it's done. Okay, first we're gonna get this roast ready. So we're gonna put some garlic on it. Put some garlic on there. Again, you can use fresh garlic. I just like this because it's quicker. Need some ground pepper. Lots of ground pepper in there. And some olive oil. Drizzle some across the top there. There. Hello, lovely assistant. Can you put some more pepper on there, please? Thank you. So you want to get your hands in there, massage all the oil and garlic and pepper. Or you need some more on that side, probably. Pepper in there. Thank you. There. Now we're going to preheat the oven for 350. Looks like it's ready. We're going to throw this in the oven and go to the next step. Get yourself like 5. I gotta make 10 lunches this week. So get yourself 5 good sized potatoes, yellow skins or russets or red, whichever you prefer. Maybe even baked potatoes. You can get some little ones in there. Okay, we're gonna want to chop these into bite-sized pieces. Up like that. Yeah, just some like squares. We're gonna be smashing them anyway, but it just makes it easier. And doesn't take as long to cook when they're chopped up a bit. So first thing we're gonna have to do with these though is put them in our pot of cold water. They're just gonna sit there while we do other stuff for now, just to get some of the starch out of them. Oh, one little one left, not room in the pot. We'll save him for next time. Alright, in place of turkey, we're gonna start cutting up some chicken. And throw it into a clear glass pan. Now I'm thinking, slice this kind of the same way I usually do, just against the grain of the meat. Get some good sized pieces in there. Lunch-sized pieces. Alright, now to give this more of a Thanksgiving feel, we're going to put some chicken broth in here. In with our chicken. And some poultry seasoning. Poultry seasoning. Put that in there. Make sure you stir it around real good. Now we'll cover this with some tin foil. We'll need to put some black pepper on it, some salt. Yeah, black pepper and salt would be good. And we're gonna throw it in there with the roast, which should be another 20 minutes left, so we can get some more stuff done until that's ready. Okay, get rid of all the water that's in with the potatoes. Don't want any of that starchy water. Okay, get them back in the pot. We're going to refill this full of water, turn it on, and set it to boil. Put them there. Get those boiling. For the stuffing, we're just going to do stovetop. So we're going to start with a cup of water and a sploop of butter and get that boiling before we add it. Okay, set the big pot up front, pushed our stuffing pot to the back here while that warms up. This is gonna be for the broccoli. We want to have about a half inch of water in there, which I guess is like I don't know, centimeter or something. of water in there. That's for the broccoli. Well, that's waiting to be warmed up before we add the broccoli. We can start on the gravy. So we're gonna take 2/3 of a cup of water with 2/3 of a cup of milk. And we're gonna heat that up. And we can add our gravy. We're just gonna go with a green peppercorn gravy. Gravy pack. There we go, lots of gravy. Good times. Okay, now with the gravy started, make sure to whisk it. Stir it around. Oh, looks like our stuffing is almost ready to be added. Once the water for the stuffing is boiling, you want to add the stovetop, stir it up, take it off the heat, mix it all around. Make sure it's all soaked in there real good. Cover it up, let it sit for 5 minutes. Stir the gravy, stir the gravy. Water's starting to boil there for the broccoli. So we're going to add in the whole pack of broccoli. Get that cooked up. Make sure to put a cover on it. You want to keep that water boiling. Broccoli, I'd say time it for 4 minutes. Any more than that and it just starts to get all mushy. So 4 minutes from now we're going to pull that off and cold water shock it. Stop it from cooking. Okay, stuffing's pretty much ready there. We're gonna stir that around a little bit. Take it completely away from any heat source. Yeah, that's good. Looks like it's pretty well ready. Woo. So we're gonna drain the water out of there. Okay, now I had said I was gonna cold water shock the broccoli to stop it from cooking, but I also forgot that I was going to make a cheese sauce. If you want to make a cheese sauce for your veggies, quickest way, easiest way, cheddar cheese soup. Take the whole can, dump it in there. Mix in that cheddar cheese soup. No need to add water. There's probably a little bit of water in the bottom still anyway from the broccoli. So, oh crap, we're jumping ship here. How are the potatoes doing? Let's see here. Yeah, I'd say those are probably ready too. Okay, so we can turn these off. Drain these. Okay, for the mashed potatoes, we're gonna add in a bunch of butter. In there. Add a sploosh of milk. Sploosh. And then start smashing. Having a heck of a time here. This is like the worst potato smasher ever. And add another sploosh of milk in there. Okay. Ah, God, it's hot. Ah, sugar. We're gonna take out the roast, leave the chicken in there. Use our meat thermometer. Where the hell did I put the meat thermometer? Oh. All right. Temperature section here. Yeah, I'd say it's probably good. Oof. There. Now it's important to notice, or to note, that with any kind of roast that you're doing, pork roast, beef roast, unless you're gonna be eating it right away, don't cut it. It will dry it out. All the juices will escape. So we're gonna take this off the oven, put it somewhere, let it cool before we chop it up. Now the veggies are added, let's go and check on the chicken, see how that's doing, and see if the roast is ready to be sliced up. Oh yeah, that's super done. You may be asking yourself, why in the hell did I make chicken and a roast at the same time? Well, I can't eat red meat. It just does not work for me. It's, my body hates me whenever I do that. So this will be for me. The roast beef with some horseradish will be for Corey. do ensure, please, that your lunches are all cool as best as you can. Oh, time isn't always on your side, but cool as possible before you put lids on them and put them in the fridge. All right, now let's see how this turned out. Give it a good space here. Yep, this looks pretty good. A little pink in the middle, but still cooked. Alright, now that we got the roast beef and the chicken all sorted out in there, last step is the gravy. Yeah, don't forget the gravy. Hope you enjoyed this video. The whole thing took, I'd say probably an hour or so. Which isn't bad for 10 lunches. It'll definitely be something delicious. I wish we could find cranberry sauce though. If you like what you see, click on subscribe. Get your notifications for the next video. And I will see you then.